You went to bed on time. You got your 7, 8, maybe even 9 hours of sleep. You should feel rested, recharged, and ready to take on the day. But you don't. Your body might feel okay, but your brain feels heavy, foggy, and exhausted. If this sounds familiar, you need to know one thing. You are not lazy, and you're not imagining it. What you're experiencing is mental fatigue, and it's a very different beast than physical tiredness. We've all been taught how to manage physical exhaustion. You rest, you sleep, you let your muscles recover. But we're rarely taught how to manage mental exhaustion. We often just push through it, blaming ourselves for a lack of discipline or motivation when our focus inevitably breaks. This feeling that your brain is just tired has a clear psychological explanation, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why it happens and know a few simple, practical ways to reclaim your mental clarity. So, what does mental fatigue actually feel like? It's that sense of brain fog, where your thoughts feel slow and sticky. It's the low focus, where you find yourself reading the same sentence over and over again, or you click on a work tab only to immediately forget why you opened it. It's when your motivation plummets. The tasks you normally handle with ease suddenly feel like climbing a mountain. And the most damaging part, the self-blame. You start to think, what's wrong with me? I should be able to do this. Maybe I'm just not cut out for it. This internal narrative isn't just unhelpful, it's incorrect. The problem isn't you. It's the environment your brain is trying to survive in. To understand mental fatigue, we need to look at 3 key psychological concepts. First, attention fragmentation. Your attention isn't a limitless resource. In the modern world, it's constantly being splintered. A notification here, an email there, a quick scroll through social media. Each one is a tiny paper cut to your focus. Your brain is forced to switch gears so rapidly and frequently that it never gets to settle into a state of deep concentration. This constant switching is incredibly draining. Second, dopamine overload. Our devices and apps are designed to give us tiny, frequent hits of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. A like is a hit. A new email is a hit. A funny video is a hit. Your brain gets accustomed to this high level of stimulation. When it's time to do something that offers a slower, more delayed sense of reward, like reading a report or studying, your brain resists. It feels understimulated and bored, which registers as mental exhaustion. And third, decision fatigue. Every single day, you make hundreds, if not thousands, of small decisions. What to wear, what to eat for breakfast, which email to answer first, whether to click on that notification. Like a muscle, your brain's capacity for making thoughtful decisions gets tired. As the day wears on, your brain looks for shortcuts, which either leads to poor choices or a feeling of being completely overwhelmed and unable to decide at all. So, these psychological pressures are driven by 3 core habits of modern life. Number 1, constant input, no processing. Think about your day. You listen to a podcast while you get ready, scroll news feeds during your coffee break, and watch a series to unwind. Your brain is in a state of perpetual consumption. It's taking in information all day long, but it gets almost no time to actually process it, connect ideas, and file things away. This is the equivalent of constantly putting food in your mouth without ever stopping to chew and swallow. Number 2, multitasking overload. The idea that we can effectively multitask is, for the most part, a myth. What we're actually doing is rapid tasks, which in writing an email while on a video call, while keeping an eye on your phone, ISNT. Productive, it's a recipe for burnout. Each switch carries a cognitive cost, a small mental tax. Do this all day, and you end up mentally bankrupt. Number 3, no silence, no recovery. When does your brain ever get to be silent? For many of us, the answer is never. We fill every spare moment with noise and content. But silence is not emptiness. It's during these quiet moments that a critical brain network, the default mode network, gets to work. It consolidates memories, thinks about the future, and processes social interactions. Without silence, your brain never gets its essential recovery and cleanup time. Okay, so that's the problem. The good news is, you don't need a radical life overhaul to fix it. The solutions are simple and rooted in psychology. First, the one-task rule. It's as simple as it sounds. For a set period, maybe 25 minutes to start, do one thing. If you're writing, close all other tabs. Put your phone in another room. If you're reading, just read. This practice of monotasking feels strange at first, but it is one of the most powerful ways to rebuild your attention span. Second, schedule 10 minutes of silence. That's it, 10 minutes. No phone, no music, no podcasts. You can go for a walk, stare out the window, or just sit. Let your mind wander. It will feel boring, and that's the point. You are letting your brain do its background processing. Treat it like a vital appointment for your mental health. Third, reduce daily decisions. Automate the small stuff to save your mental energy for what truly matters. Plan your outfits for the week on Sunday. Decide what you're having for lunch the night before. Create a non-negotiable to-do list with only your top 1 to 3 priorities for the next day. This frees up so much cognitive bandwidth. I want to end by reframing this entire issue. If you feel mentally fatigued, it is not a sign of personal weakness. It is a sign that you are overstimulated. Your brain is doing exactly what it's supposed to do when faced with a relentless barrage of information, distraction, and decisions. It's getting tired. This is a completely normal reaction to an abnormal environment, and the most important part is that it can be reversed. You have the power to change that environment, one small step at a time. The goal isn't to live a life with no stimulation. It's about being intentional. It's about choosing where your most valuable asset, your attention, goes. Protect your focus. Protect your quiet time. By reducing the noise, you will regain your clarity.